And the night isn't over yet because in a few short moments, these guys are going to be on stage and they're going to be performing for the audience here in Chandesitas. Of course, I'm talking about Freestyle. And here they are. Hi, good evening. How long has Freestyle been around?
Maybe around 13 or 14 years already.
Wow, 13 or 14 years. And what's it like having a band that's been around for so long? The music industry was very, very different 13 years ago than it is now. How do you survive?
First of all, we're very thankful for the support that we're still here. And then, adapt talaga, continuously evolve to the needs of the market of the music. So, yun, kailangan din. Tsaka, syempre yung samahan ng banda, yung pinaka-importante para hindi mabuwag.
You guys are coming out with an album very, very soon. So, Joshua, tell us about that.
Maglalabas kami ng all original album. Puro mga Tagalog songs. Parang babalik namin yung sound ng original OPM. Mga lumang touch ng, pero sa time ngayon, parang ganun.
And we're looking forward to seeing more of Freestyle, and you'll be seeing Freestyle in a few short moments right here at the Chandesitas Independence Music Fest.
Nakikinig sa mga kwento mong paulit-ulit lang. Nagtitiis kahit nasasaktan. Ewan kung bakit pa hindi ka pa nadadala. Baliwala
for Ava.